evergreen silence toward the golden light of an autumn wood. Our sacred vows, once bright as flowers, turned to cold dust, scattered by the wind. The memory of that first sharp kiss spun the needle of my destiny, then pulled away. I am deafened by your fragrant voice and blinded by the radiance of your face. Oh, love is a human affair. I know we feel this parting from the very start, but goodbye came like a sudden thunder, tearing through the fabric of my heart. But I won't turn this grief into hollow tears that would only break the love we share. I'll take this surge of uncontrollable sorrow and pour it into a vessel. Song that cannot bear its own melody circles around the heavy silence of you, echoing.